Okay, so we are at a supermarket right now, and we have a problem right now. We have an ATM over here that because of COVID, they forgot the combination. So we are about to get inside this ATM and give them a new lock. So we have gone and took the lock off, and we are trying to decode the lock and give them a new lock without damaging the safe. We're decoding it right now. Advanced Security is decoding it, and yes, we do work on ATM. We'll show you how it's done. So here we are now. We get the safe open. All we need to do is take a look. Voila! So that's how we take care of the situation without damaging, and we are going to put a new lock on it. Don't forget, you gotta call us if you need us.